What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now we are fast approaching 150 subscribers, which basically makes me an influencer now. So I thought it's probably time to invest into the channel a little bit, which means the days of recording on my phone are officially over because we've just brought our first official camera. So being the first video on the new camera, I wanted to make a video that would change your life. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best chicken thigh meal prep of your life. So if that sounds amazing and you appreciate the new style of video, like and subscribe. Now let's go get some chicken. Okay, our first problem, there's no chicken in the fridge. So we're going to take a quick trip down to Aldi and then just get chicken thighs for you. So let's go. Okay, we're back. So we didn't go Aldi in the end, we went to the Co-op. But chicken thighs are chicken thighs. So let me run through. We got your chicken thighs. We're also going to use salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic granules, sage, paprika, rosemary, an onion, some lemon, pepper. Let's get all prepared up. Okay, step one, we're going to chop up our onions and peppers. So we're going to do that in 3, 2, 1. There they are. And then these can go straight into our pan of boiling oil, or hot oil. So, we'll get these in there. There we go. So to let these brown off, I'm going to now season up the chicken. So I'm going to add all of the things that I showed you in the previous clip to a bowl with some oil to the chicken. I'm not going to measure anything because I just eyeball it each time, but it tastes the same each time. So I'll come back to you with that in just a second. Okay, the chicken's now prepared and ready to go. So we've got 5 chicken thighs in here. There were 6, but this recipe's so good I've actually eaten one of the thighs raw. But yeah, well worth it. So, closer look. Look at those. Hell yeah, so we're going to get that in here with the onions and peppers. Let's do it on the camera. So you can see that I'm a professional. Stick it in there. Got a nice medium heat going on. Try and get them as flat as you can. Last one in there. Cool. We're now going to let these cook for about 3 minutes aside, but then we're not finished yet, so I will be back in just a second. Okay, so something amazing is happening in here. Let's take a little look. Whoa. So I'll put this lid on. So it cooks on both sides. It's working on a medium heat. It's now completely cooked. I'm just letting it brew in the flavours. Look at those. But we can do one more additional thing. I've just boiled the kettle. There she is. I'm going to add a little bit So water, just a little bit here. Because we've got one more secret ingredient to make this even better. Chicken gravy granules. So literally all I do for this, again, there's no measurements needed. I'm just going to eyeball her. Get a load of oil over and make some sort of little gravy. Mix that all in each other. There we go. Get them all covered up. Move them around so you're just cooking them in like their own gravy. Now I'm going to whack this down. Oh, let's turn it off. Down to a 3. I'm just going to let this simmer. And that is our final step. You can pretty much leave this in there for as long as you want. The chicken's already cooked now. It's just marinating in all the flavours and good stuff. So there's only just one more stage and I'll be playing it up. So the next time you see me, the chicken will be fully cooked and you'll be able to see the finished product. And now is your finished product of the chicken thighs. Not a most colourful plate, but this is just what I'm having. I've just done some chips, a couple of sausages in the air fryer, but yeah, this chicken is just incredible. So yeah, that is the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful and you kind of increased and leveled up your chicken cooking availability or abilities now. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know how you get on with the chicken down in the comments. I shall see you next time.